Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So I'm just going to jump right into this nail tutorial. I've already done my filing and prepping, and now I'm going in with nail dehydrator and nail primer. And this is just going to be a simple fill in. I'm using the Long Hair Pretty Nails Natural Pink Acrylic to do the fill in, and also the number 8 oval Kolinsky brush from Alpha Brush. It's pretty simple. I didn't even do too much editing. I just sped it up so you guys can see how I pick up my beads and all that good stuff. I get a lot of questions about acrylic application around the cuticle area, and as you can see, when I pick up my beads of acrylic, I dab it on the paper towel just to sop up any of the excess liquid, and that is what prevents me from flooding the cuticle area and allows me to kind of mold that acrylic and place it where I want it to be without it sliding all over the place. So that is just a tip if you're having problems with your your cuticle areas or flooding the cuticle or anything like that. Try draining out the liquid from your brush before you apply it to your nail. And this time I even included my thumb. For some reason my camera does not like to focus on my thumb, but this time it decided to work. So you guys get some thumb action. And for the thumb, as you can see, I do need to pick up multiple beads to get the coverage that I want, but that is okay. Like I stated in previous videos, I use as many beads as it takes to get the structure and coverage that I need. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is dry, and I'm just going to do my shaping and filing. Because this is a fill-in, you don't need to file too much, the shape is already there. And yeah, pretty much simple. So this is after filing, shaping, and buffing, and now I'm going to apply some crystals. And this is my winning combination, the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and Top Coat. So this is what the Bling Gel looks like. If I had to explain it, it's like a sticky Vaseline type consistency, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is what I like to use to adhere crystals. I've been using this combination for years, and my crystals stay on like forever. I'm using the Poochie Snails gel brush, and I'm just going to apply a thin but even coat of the Bling Gel. You want to make sure you have enough, but not too much, but the coat has to be even. So without curing, I apply the gel top coat directly on top of this and smooth that over. And then I just apply the crystals. So what I love about this combination is once you start applying the crystals, they do not slide all over the place, and you can even move them if you want to. So that is why I like to use the gel versus a glue or anything like that, because I change my mind of where I want the stones to be before I cure. So it gives me some playing time. So for this nail design, I wanted this to be Valentine's Day inspired. So I'm doing a heart negative space kind of cut out here with the stones. So what I do is just outline the heart first, and then I'm going to fill in the spaces around it. So these are the new Orchid Crystals that are available at longhairprettynails.com. These are my favorite. I love the color of these. They come in a multi-size pack, so you'll get 6 different sizes of crystals. I cure that nail for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So I just repeat the process with my ring fingernail, applying the Poochie's Bling gel and top coat, and then doing some crystals. Only this time I'm just going to do a little crystal French tip here. Alright, so after curing that nail, I'm going to apply top coat to the rest of the nails in preparation for my chrome nail. So when you're doing chrome nails, you want to make sure that your top coat is an even layer. You don't want any dry or splotchy spots because your chrome will come out splotchy. So just make sure you have a thin but even coat of gel top coat. So I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp, and now I'm going in with this beautiful chrome powder. I got this from AliExpress a couple years ago, and I will have the link down for you guys, but this is my favorite chrome powder. As you guys can see, when you apply this, it's just, oh my god, it's so pigmented. It's just beautiful. So I use a makeup sponge to go ahead and apply this, and this is just one layer, like you get the maximum coverage. So after lightly dusting off the excess chrome powder, I'm going to apply another layer of gel top coat, and this is just to seal in all of that beautiful chrome powder. And I did a final cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I really love this color combination of the chrome and the orchid crystals. I think this is so cute, and I really like this negative space heart cut out with the crystals. I think that turned out really cute, and I can't wait to try that again in some upcoming Valentine's Day inspired nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.